we're gonna do the winning recipe from our cook-off in January. That was won by Jessica Bull. It was a big hit and very simple and yummy. That's why it took first place. They were all good though. So first you've got some cut up kielbasa sausage that goes in your skillet. It can be the electric or something for the stovetop. And then you're gonna take a half cup of chicken broth. I'm using some organic bone broth. You make your own with a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then just have fun. We're doing some slap your mama. If you don't like that, just use something else. This has a little bit of a Cajun punch. As you see, we're not really measuring. Mix it up. Then she poured it right on top of the kielbasa. And then we're gonna add some veggies. And so we are going to start with the #1 cone. We're gonna get our garlic in there. So she used 4 cloves of garlic using the #1 cone. And then we're going to switch over to the #3 cone, known as the French fry cutter. And then we're going to chop up our apples, our onion, and bell pepper. So kind of sprinkle that around. Let's do the onions first. Okay, spread that out. Let me grab our bell pepper and then chop this up. All right, and we're gonna spread this out. Beautiful colors. And then we're gonna grab our Granny Smith apples. So we're using 2. She called for, I think it was 2 cups of chopped onion. So I just used a real large onion and one red bell pepper. And we're gonna get our apple in there, which just looks like scenic. And then, last thing, we're almost done. Let's go so fast. Take your #4 cone, which is your straight slicer, and we're going to take a small head of cabbage that we've quartered and just slice it up on top. All right, so since we are using the EOC, I think because of the size of cabbage, we're gonna just do a half head, because obviously we want the vagal valve to sit flush so it can actually register and go up and down with the internal temperature, reaches what we want to protect those nutrients. All right, and then of course, as always, clear your lips, make sure that you get a very good seal. And then we're just gonna put the top on, set it to medium, 350. When it clicks, turn it to low, about 170, 175. And then we're gonna set the timer for 20 minutes and you are eating amazing dinner. So if I set the lid there, I don't know if you can see this, it's popped up. You don't want that, you need a good seal. So we're gonna spin this till it's nice and flush. That way it can go up and down. And we're gonna push the temperature button. We're gonna hold the up arrow till it gets to 350 and let it go. When it clicks, we're gonna come back, lower it to about 170, 175. And then we're gonna set the timer for our 20 minutes. And that's it, go do something else. The finished product. Let's see what it looks like.